This is a 2003 Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower 4-cycle short shaft outboard boat motor. It's got a shift handle over here, forward and reverse. Comes with the tank. Got a pull choke here. Got a safety kill lanyard here. It's tiller controlled with the throttle there. A single cylinder motor, flat head like a lawnmower. And this one hasn't seen a whole lot of use. It's in real good shape. We'll get it started here real quick. These motors do not have a water pump. They're completely air-cooled, so there's no water pump to change. The exhaust has a muffler on the back of it instead of going through the water or through the propeller like most other outboards do. Basically like a little lawnmower. It's got a fuel on and off here. That's all. We'll go ahead and put it in here to see how it turns water. It's just idling along. This little motor could really make a mess. Back into neutral. And now we're going to put it in reverse. I have the original owner certificate and the original owner's manual and the quick start guide as well. And this is available through Craigslist right now for sale.